So hi guys, this is Chooks and we're going to be playing the game together. Okay, so see who I'm with.
What I'm win your soul. That's how it's going to be. What's up guys, this is Chooks Create. Thank you so much for tuning into this video.
Okay, so guys,
I'll give it to people that want to give it.
we're going to be playing basketball, we're going to be playing the hoverboard, and we're going to be playing the car race.
Yes, the car is too. That's true.
Yes guys, we play car race.
This is one of that things there too.
What?
What's that man?
What's that?
When are you? Oh, yes, spend money.
Head that. Okay, so guys, let's head it right into the video. So guys, we're at the game here, as you guys know. There are a lot of things. So which one are we going to play first?
I like this bike racing.
So guys, we started off first with the car race, and here it seems Ebony is already used to this game. Like, he usually plays this game whenever he's here at the mall, because I can see he doesn't play like a fresher, you know what I'm saying, like it's his first time. Okay, so here he is gradually winning me, but let's see what happens in the second phase. So if you guys notice, I interchangeably used Chooks or Ebony. So I'm used to calling him Ebony, but his name is Chooks. But not like he doesn't answer Ebony. Ebony is his, AKA, okay? It's like his nickname. So I call him Ebony, but his name is Chooks, okay? So I interchangeably used both names. So if you guys noticed, my hands are shaking, like wavering really fast, and I'm kind of like tensed here because the game would soon be ending and he is way far ahead of me, and I'm just trying to, and you can notice that I keep stumbling while he's always on his track. Damn, these cars are fast. I mean, I can't cope on a normal day. I can't be this fast on a wheel. So I just keep trying to race a little more fast, so that he's not always too far ahead of me. And we just have a few seconds to the end of this particular phase, which is the first phase. And we have 19 seconds. We have less than 19 seconds running to end the game. So guys, at this point here, I was about to give up, but finally we ended the game and Chooks won. So quickly we started off the second round. So let's see how I did in the second round. But obviously I improved. Ebony still maintained his pace, trying to be fast ahead of me. We just have less than 40 seconds and he was already beating me, guys. I don't know how to do this car race shit. You guys, I kept wondering why I was always behind him until someone now told me, that was the game person told me, that I wasn't using my accelerator well, so I wasn't pressing on it, and we just have less than 5 seconds. The game will soon be ending and I'm still behind him. Game is over, guys. And Ebony still won. So next was the basketball game. Okay, so we played the basketball. I was the first person to play the basketball, then after me Chooks. So you guys see what I did. Actually, this is my first time playing this game. not like generally my first time playing basketball, but this is like my first time playing. It's almost the same thing, you know, like the regular basketball, but I think this one is even easier. But then it's been long time I played any of such games, so you can see now I'm like I only have, is it just 30, I think 30 scores, and I have 12 seconds left, guys. Oh no, the other way around, please. I have 15 seconds left and I only threw in 20 balls into that hole. I mean, it's mad. It's not easy. It's not easy,
you guys. So Chooks kept laughing at me at the background. Hey, I felt humiliated. Just kidding, but it was funny. I was even laughing, but the truth is I actually came to catch fun.
How do you feel losing? So you're already feeling the loss, Abby?
So guys, I was a little distracted from people watching me at the background, so it made me lose concentration. Like I said, I was distracted, so it made me start behind time. So I already have 40 seconds left and it was just 4 scores, so I just have less than 30 seconds to, you know, at least to get something up on the score. And I just tried my best, but overall I did better in the second round than in the first round, because I wouldn't know why, but I think I learned from the first round of the game. So I just had one of the workers there tell me what or how exactly I should throw the ball in order to get it in through the basket. So, and I started doing it, and then I started noticing that my score, I was getting it and then my score was going up. So the time will soon be ending and I need to reach up to 42. I think that was 42 or 41 scores to win the game, but I only stop that 26 before the game. You guys, it's Ebony's turn. Now you all know that when it comes to basketball, people who have height are, or they have a tendency to, you know, do better. Like it's an overall assumption. It's not even an assumption. I think that is like a certainty. It's a certified assumption. But all I know is that, you know, like they have their own advantage over people who are, you know, shorter. I am not short. I'm 5.6, 5.7, 5.7, but I'm sure Ebony is 6'2" or more, and you can see, guys, this guy is throwing the balls with ease. Like it's that he's just entering a basket. Like what the fuck? Like is he using magic? Is he using magic? And I think Ebony was faster than me. You know, me, when I was playing the ball, like when I was throwing the ball, I was not throwing it so fast. I'll wait for one to come before I pick it up. But he was just throwing his balls consistently, not minding, but he was, you know, trying to target the point where to hit it. But then he was throwing it consistently. So Ebony in the second round didn't really do well initially, but let's see if something changes while the game is still on, before the game is over. Let's see if he gets more than what he got the last time. Just few seconds left and he just has 24. The last time was 30. Less than 5 seconds left and Ebony is at 30. And then when the game was over, he's at 33. Mom, guys, why are you feeling like right now? So we're done with the basketball, and obviously he won me both in the first and in the second round. You know how it is, Oga dey feeling safe now. Based on say you don't win me now. So guys, in the bike race, I'm competing with the game machine itself. So guys, just like the car race, this game machine works with every motion in your body. Like if you shake, it's gonna shake. Like, so I was just trying to put the whole energy, trying to make it worth it. Like I was trying to be on track, try to maneuver some bombs and hurdles, and just to get to the finish point. It actually took me a while in this first round because I really didn't know. I'm in the 4th place and game is over. Just 4th place. And I was even smiling. You can imagine, 4th place. I was just having fun, y'all. Like, so yeah, I'm about to go for the 2nd round. Let's see if anything changes, if I become the 1st to 2nd. Guys, you can't believe what I got. Like, me say if I'm mad. At this point, I'm topping everybody. Like, I'm topping every damn person. Like, if you block my road, I hit you, commot. So like, I was topping everybody, and the game is soon getting over. The game is over, guys. Who's your champion?
First place.
Okay, so guys, since God is yet to bless me with a car, I thought about flexing my driving skill a little with these bumper cars. And yes, we're ready to go. Wait, oh, not so ready. Alright, so at first she thought I didn't know how to drive. I didn't even have any knowledge about driving. So she wanted to get in the car with me, and I said, no, I got this, babe. So I started off gradually because you know how the mall can be. Like, people are walking past the aisle, and I don't want to hurt anyone. I don't want to drive so fast, that people become so scared of me hurting them. So I was just, babe was enjoying my ride, and she had to get in the car with me to enjoy the ride with me. Anyway, she was basically showing me where to turn so that I don't like overstep my boundaries.
I cannot kill myself. I just want to live my life. I don't like that.
Jesus, Melissa. Hi. Ah, look at this, look at this.
feeling. So I tried it.
How do I say it? Surprised? Yes, but I'm the big girl that does the petty things. Well, call me the champion. So finally, I was told the game is over. I mean, my ride is over, and I was crying. But anyway, I enjoyed it, and this is like a wrap of it on this video. So I had fun, like mad fun. So if you have a channel and you want us to do a video like this or something similar with this, don't hesitate to share. If I like the idea, I'm gonna hop on.
You feel now? Don't feel happy, Chelsea.
I was thinking.
I beat you at the whole game, sorry. Yeah, sorry.
So guys, I
had a lot of fun.
I enjoyed the whole game section. It's Ebony.
You mean you enjoyed how I won you, right?
Shut up.
You enjoyed. Are you
Guys,
serious?
I won. Okay, he didn't play that one with me, but I won the animation that I played with.
You won which animation with who? Did you win me?
The bike.
How much you played it alone? Guys, I represented you guys very, very well. And I won all the games you played today.
Everyone was going to win.
I'm that good now, I'm that good. It'd be like that sometimes.
No worries, it's not gonna be that way next time. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Why are you doing this records, guy? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, right? And yes, it has started for my channel, so just keep on looking out for more videos here on my channel, okay? So guys, with that, we are officially restarted for 2022. Yeah. 2021, 2022. Alright, so peace out, guys. I had fun.
Peace out. Check out my channel too. Chooks Creates.
Very important.
Chooks Creates. I'm a visual effects expert.
Visual effects expert.
And a YouTuber,
Check
of
out.
course.
Yes, you guys check out his channel. Okay, he's actually going to be showing, or maybe I'll just put the link in the description box. So guys, check out his channel.
In the description, what?
Box. Yes. Bye. Love you guys.